Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're doing a comprehensive overview and review of how to use the Strava app. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to your iOS store or your Google Play store, and you want to type in Strava, S-T-R-A-V-A. I'm pretty sure you can type that, and then you can download it. And as soon as you do, basically what you want to do is you want to set up an account. You can hook it up to your Facebook. You can sign up via Google or Apple or whatever account that you're using. And as soon as you do, it's going to prompt you to add your friends. It may be people that are on your list of contacts, or your Facebook friends that own the same app or not. And you want to hook it up to your phone, your phone's health app, whatever fitness watch you're currently using at the time. And as soon as you do, you now have, you now own Strava. You now have a, this is basically a wall, or like your homepage, where it tells you your weekly snapshot, which is the amount of activities that you've done, the time that you've worked out, and the distance that you have covered this week. And it updates, and it auto updates every Monday. So it goes back to 0 every Monday. And this right now, which I do have it, I'm going to have it censored because it's going to just DDoS all of my friends. But basically, this is the wall. And it really does help. The social media aspect of it really does help, because what it does is that it creates the sense of community regarding your workouts. So if you're a person that's used to like working out on your own, ta-da, it's just a workout app for everyone right now. And you can just, go ahead and race your friends and be like, if you're like somewhat competitive, look at me, look at how much distance I've covered this week. Much like any fitness app like Runna or Nike Run Club, it follows you on GPS. And as soon as it does, it tracks whatever runs that you're going to be. It's got in-app integration. So if you don't use your fitness watch, it does apply to your Apple Watch instantly, and it works like any other fitness app, and it tracks you. And its tracking is one of the best in the game. You can just use your phone to track you if you're not a person that uses a fitness watch per se. So you press record, and whatever it is, it acquires a signal, and as soon as it does, I'm also not going to show this because it's literally showing where I'm at. You press start, and it records your workouts, and as soon as it does, it shows it on your home screen. And as soon as it's on your home screen, there you are. It's a comprehensive overview. The free version, the one where you don't pay, is absolutely marvelous. It tracks everything. But if you want a more nuanced approach of how much better you want to get, or you want to track certain things within your workouts, whether it be heart rate, cadence, how often you want to work out, whatever it is, your fitness level, your VO2 max, it does that. It's honestly a 10 out of 10 app, and I genuinely advise it. And I'd even advise the paid plan, just because it's so comprehensive and it's so helpful, and it's just everything. And the fact that it includes community in the way that it does, there's no likes. It's just called kudos. Like, let's go. It's just a beautiful, positive air of sports and community. And I think it's very cool. So, yeah, if this video helped, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you when I catch you. Thanks for watching.